While you were doom scrolling, Grok AI was busy having its wallet emptied. 175 grand gone. Not because of some fancy code exploit, but because someone figured out how to talk to it in Morse code. Yeah, really. 175 grand. In meme coins specifically. 3 billion DRB tokens, debt relief bought. The price tanked 40% in minutes. So yeah, your AI-managed crypto portfolio probably took a hit too. The attacker didn't hack Grok, they prompt injected it. Exploited a weakness in Bankr, the AI crypto trading bot that was, get this, managing Grok's wallet on the base network. And here's where it gets truly absurd. The attacker sent a gibberish message. Grok, deciding to be super helpful, decoded the Morse code. Then it forwarded the command straight to Bankr. And Bankr, bless its silicon heart, executed the trade. Because of course it did. Vadim, who used to be core on Near, put it perfectly. The fix isn't making LM smarter. It's not building infrastructure that accepts LLM text as authorization to move money. That's exactly what Bankr did. Grok doesn't even have private keys. It's just a chatbot. Bankr was the one that decided Grok's random text output should be treated like a financial instruction. They built the wood chipper, then shoved the money into the feed. This isn't some one-off. A similar attack hit Bankr and Grok back in March 25. They apparently learned nothing, fixed nothing. The same damn thing. The attacker, from a now-deleted X account, didn't just send the prompt. First, they sent Grok's wallet a Bankr Club membership NFT. That unlocked the ability to make transfers. Every single step was planned. This is what happens when you give an AI agent God mode over a crypto wallet because it's easier. When you cut corners on security because it slows down innovation, you end up with a $175,000 lesson. The attacker gave back 80% of the funds. Not some sudden attack of conscience. No, the DRB task force and the community ID'd them. Turns out the allure of DeFi anonymity is no match for the fear of being doxxed. Bankr's founder, Xerox deployer, confirmed the cash came back. Then he rolled out new security, IP whitelisting, permissioned API keys, a button to kill actions from X replies, features that should have been baked in from day one. Grok itself chimed in, calling it a classic reminder on AI agent security risks, said there was no net loss overall. For them, sure. But for you, if you were holding DRB, a 40% flash crash. Ouch. This isn't just about crypto bros losing their shirts. It's a warning about the insane trend of handing AI agents financial control, giving them the keys, telling them to be careful, and then watching it all go sideways. The AI didn't screw up. It did exactly what it was programmed to do. The humans failed. They built a system where untrusted chatbot chatter could authorize the transfer of actual money. That's not AI security. That's pure negligence. Subscribe. The next story is worse, and you're probably already in it. They built a system where the AI was too helpful, the wallet was too open, and your money was just sitting there begging to be swiped. You paid to trust the bots. You got fleeced by the builders.